What if I told you that you could host unlimited websites, unlimited domains, get AI-powered optimization, and never pay monthly hosting fees again? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today we're taking a complete look at AI hosting to find out whether it's a revolutionary deal or just another overhyped product. Plus, stay until the end because I'm giving away 5 exclusive bonuses that can save you hundreds of dollars and help you launch your online business faster. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're reviewing AI hosting, a platform that claims to provide AI-powered website hosting with unlimited websites, unlimited domains, automatic optimization, security features, backups, and more, all for a one-time payment. But here's the important question. Can it really replace traditional hosting providers? In this review, I'll cover what AI hosting actually is, its main features, a live dashboard demo, the pros and cons, who should buy it and who shouldn't. And before we dive in, I have something special for you. If you decide to purchase AI hosting through my link, you'll also get 5 exclusive bonuses, absolutely free to help you grow your online business and maximize your results. Bonus. Number 1. Email Marketing Mastery Guide. Learn how to build an email list, create high-converting campaigns, and generate more sales through effective email marketing. Bonus number 2. Social Media Content Pack. Get ready-made content ideas and resources that will help you stay consistent and boost engagement across your social media platforms. Bonus. Number 3. List Building Profit. Discover proven strategies to attract subscribers, grow your audience, and turn your email list into a profitable business asset. Bonus number 4. Digital Marketing Video Course. Access step-by-step training on traffic generation, branding, lead generation, and online marketing techniques to grow your business. Bonus number 5. AI Marketing Video Course. Learn how to use the latest AI tools to create content, automate tasks, improve productivity, and scale your marketing efforts more efficiently. So make sure you watch until the end of this video to see if AI hosting is the right choice for you and how you can claim all these valuable bonuses at no extra cost. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. AI hosting is marketed as an AI-powered hosting solution that combines traditional web hosting with automation and intelligent optimization. Some of its advertised features include unlimited website, hosting unlimited domains and subdomains AI-powered, performance optimization smart, resource allocation AI security protection daily, backups free, SSL certificates one click, app installation business, email accounts website, migration tools, global CDN support staging environment client, management developer-friendly environment, the ZGO. Biggest selling point is the claim of one-time pricing instead of recurring monthly hosting fees. Let's log into the dashboard.
Generation AI-powered hosting platform that lets you host unlimited websites and unlimited domains on lightning-fast AI-optimized servers. No monthly fees, no subscriptions, no recurring payments. Just a simple one-time investment for lifetime access. Let me show you around. As soon as you enter your account, you're greeted by a clean, modern, and beginner-friendly dashboard built for speed, simplicity, and complete control. Choose between light and dark mode anytime. Let's start with websites. Host unlimited websites, domains, and subdomains with no site caps, per domain fees, or upgrade traps. Getting online is simple. Choose WordPress, Laravel, Node.js, or a static HTML template. Enable SSL, connect your domain, and you're ready to go. Behind the scenes, AI optimizes caching, compression, CPU, RAM, bandwidth, and resource allocation to keep your websites fast and responsive, even during traffic spikes. Next, databases. Create databases for WordPress, Laravel, SaaS platforms, e-commerce stores, and custom applications. Simply enter a database name, create a user, assign a password, and connect your application. Moving over to email accounts. Create unlimited professional email addresses on your own domains. Just select a domain, enter a username and password, and you're done. With DNS management, you can add domains, create subdomains, update records, and connect services through a simple interface. Every website can be secured with free SSL certificates that are trusted and search engine friendly. AI-powered security protects your websites with malware monitoring, firewall protection, DDoS defense, and automated threat detection. Automatic daily backups and one-click restores help protect your websites and data. With the built-in one-click app installer, choose from 100+ web applications for your domains. Now let's explore site templates. Choose a premium website template, tell AI about your business, and generate a professional website in minutes. Next, AI Assistant. Our intelligent and powerful AI assistant helps simplify everything you've seen so far. No server expertise required. AI handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on your business. You also get analytics, uptime monitoring, global CDN acceleration, staging and cloning tools, PHP, Laravel, and Node.js support, Git deployments, SSH access, and AI-powered migration with near zero downtime. Whether you're launching websites, building SaaS applications, managing client projects, or growing an online business, AI hosting simplifies web hosting with intelligent automation. Replace outdated cPanel hosting, shared servers, recurring fees, and slow websites with one AI-optimized hosting platform built for speed, security, and reliability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside AI hosting.
Honest pros and cons pros, one-time payment instead of monthly hosting bills, unlimited websites and domains according to the offer, beginner-friendly interface, AI-based optimization features, built-in SSL and backups, website migration support, business email functionality suitable for agencies managing multiple clients' cons. Real-world performance should be tested over time. Unlimited policies may still have fair usage limitations. New platforms may not yet have the same reputation as established hosting companies. Customer support quality can only be judged after long-term usage. Not every user actually needs unlimited hosting if they only run one website. Overall, AI hosting looks interesting for bloggers, affiliate marketers, freelancers, agencies, and small business owners who want to reduce recurring hosting costs. If the platform delivers on its promises, it could become a very cost-effective hosting solution. However, I always recommend testing it with 1 or 2 projects first before migrating mission-critical websites. If you decide AI hosting is right for you and purchase through my link below, you'll receive my 5 exclusive bonuses completely free. These bonuses are designed to help you build, rank, and monetize your websites much faster. Click the first link in the description to claim AI hosting and secure all the bonuses before the offer expires. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest software reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video!